Thank you, Gian. My name is Sheldon Carter, and I am the Database Manager at the International Seabed Authority. The workshop has been divided into three parts. The first part is for the members of the Legal and Technical Commission. This will be followed by part 2 for the contractors, and then part 3 for the members of the public and scientific community. We've divided the workshop into 3 sections based on the scope of work and the target audience. This is in support of the data management strategy. Deep data is a component of this overall data management strategy. Yes, it is at the center of the data management strategy and is a very important component of this strategy. The strategy is actually very large and consists of several components. As such, we must limit the scope of this workshop to the specific areas of interest for the workshop. The scope is limited based on the target group. I will now introduce the scope based on each of the target areas. The workshop scope entails work on data catalogs, reporting templates, data storage, data retrieval, and data integration. The scope of work for part 1 and part 2 will be related specifically to the digital data submission, the reporting template updates, scientific data standardization, and finally, an understanding of the functionalities of deep data. This will then be followed by a scope of work for the public session. The focus or the scope is a little different here. Here we are focused on understanding the deep data database. Then we will share with you, in the interest of transparency, the activities related to part 1 and part 2 of the workshop. And finally, we will explore methods of collaboration for other aspects and with other members of the scientific community and UN agencies. What are the expected outcomes? Coming out of this workshop, we expect to have revised and updated reporting templates. We expect to have a clearly defined catalog process for the submission of digital data by contractors. And we expect to also create a review mechanism wherein different stakeholders are a part of the development of the data management structure and also assist in shaping the functionalities that are made available in deep data. And finally, as I stated earlier, we expect to increase awareness and knowledge of the deep data database. We do acknowledge that this is a new system, and as such, we need to climb the learning curve. Persons need to fully understand the structure and design in order to fully benefit from the resources that are available within the deep data database. I thank you, and I hope that we have a fruitful discussion.